Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Ralph's Automotive. 2004 Lincoln Aviator. This here vehicle has been to another shop. And the other shop, let me lay this down here for just a second. The other shop has replaced, I think it was a window regulator they replaced in it. They used a cheap Chinese piece of shit. Show you why here in a minute. Sorry for the cursing. It's kind of like really slow. The Chinese ones, the reason I know that, the Chinese ones generally don't have the torque that the quality ones have. But in any regard, this thing here had been messed with. Regulator, glass, they busted the glass, they had to put another glass in it. So in any event, what they failed to realize is, in order for the up and down, the automatic up and down to work, this thing will have to be reinitialized. And it's a big, long, drawn-out procedure that when you look at the service information. But anyway, I kind of shortened it up on a piece of paper. You know, so bear with me, guy. I know what I mean. You guys might not know what I mean. I got here. So with the door open, the key off, which right now the key is on. So I'm going to go ahead and turn the key off. So pull the key out of here so I can talk without the dinger going off. But anyway, with the door open, glass doesn't matter where it's at. Probably put it in the middle somewhere to be safe. We're going to turn the key on. That's step one. We're going to, or well, step two actually. We're going to turn the key on. And then we're going to press the window automatic switch. Meaning that you want to depress it all the way down or all the way up. It does not matter which one. We want to press it 6 times in a row. Don't go all gorilla on this thing, you know. Consistently press it 6 times. Then we're going to turn the key back off, just to the off position. Then we're going to, right as you turn the key off, we're going to press that window switch consistently 6 more times. You know, allow the system to make sure that it sees your button pushes. And then we're going to turn the key on, close the door. We're going to observe movement of the glass in the meantime. It'll go up and down just a little bit. That'll tell us the motor is initialized. Now on step 7, we're going to pull switch until it stalls in the seal. So then we're going to push the automatic button and let this go all the way down. Then we're going to pull the button back up. We're going to pull the glass back up until it stalls in the seal and keep holding it until it starts moving again. And after that, the initialization should be complete. Now let's test that. So, and just to tell you this, I've got a quarter drive extension, same as the striker over here. So I'm just going to clip it in the door, make it act like the door is closed, so you guys can somewhat follow along. So right now the key is off, and I'm not going to. I will post this up. Post the exact description. I will post it up in the video. I'm not going to go talking while this is dinging and me trying to follow through with everything. So here we go, guys. On. Key off. 6 times. Key on. Close door. Automatic, glass down, glass back up, Okay, here is the feature is actually working. Key off. Key back on. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do the down movement first. All right, now we're going to do the up movement. Now, this thing is stalling, and I think the way the circuit design is, it may look at amperage draw on the system or whatever, you know. It has something like that in there. I don't know that. We don't care about that. But anyway, the window is hard to roll up, and that's the reason the auto up just stalled. Right now it's really thinking it's in an up position, in a closed position, which obviously it's not. But I'm gonna go ahead and we'll lower it back down, and we'll go back up, and this time I'm gonna help the window out just a little bit by helping it push up. So let's see if that works. So there's the automatic down again. Goes down, shuts off. Now let's go back up. So something, whether it be in the track or whatever, I don't get paid to open the door up, you know, and fix whatever the issue is on the inside. So, guys, thanks for watching. Just wanted to show you that real quick. Now you know. You replace this window regulator, make sure you activate the damn thing. So, don't forget that, because you will not have automatic windows till the activation process is complete. So, in a recap, turn the key off, turn the key on. 6 times. On the auto switch, turn the key back off 6 times on the auto switch. Turn key on, lock door, go all the way up. You know, observe your movement. That tell you where the glass is at. It'll go up and down a little bit. Go all the way back up. Hit the auto down, and then once it's bottomed out on the auto down, you know, just momentarily hit that auto switch, and it should already go down. Then come back up and hold the switch until you see the shutter with the window moving again. It was kind of hard to see on this one because of there's whatever is tight right up here, as you just seen. But once that shutters the second time, this is complete. That initialization is complete. As you can see, that is working. So once again, like, subscribe, do whatever it is you do. Post in the comments. Thanks for watching.